say now. See, now the camera's on.
You haven't stopped.
You should know, computer world, that if the police want to arrest me for pulling out a motherfucking bush, I don't give a fuck personally. Okay?
Pulling out your
And
bush?
you should really blur my face, so I'm gonna put my hand on my eyes like this so that I don't get identified in the line of bushes. Yeah, Miami Beach Resort Hotel Spa and all that shit. I did pull out your motherfucking bushes. So the fuck what? I did, okay? I did. And I'm not motherfucking sorry. How about that? So fuck you. This is for your motherfucking security guard. And this is for your motherfucking bushes.
The cock guy.
And this is for your motherfucking cops on the beach that y'all calling us because you know you did it. Y'all think y'all motherfucking cops. When they come and bust up our motherfucking party, fuck y'all.
She's
How about that?
cockeyed too. Oh yeah.
There you go. Black power. You can turn it off. Let's play it. Can you play it back?
Natalie, impressions of tonight. Natasha. Ryan.
He poses.
Of course. Kathy, you're out of control. You were
We
kicked
love
out
you,
like
Kathy.
20 times, fucking bitch.
That's not nice.
Jennifer.
No, I want it.
We love you, Kathy. He doesn't mean that. We understand that it's a bad night for you. And
But explain to her how fucking drunk she was. How
you're
ridiculous.
drunk and you're sensitive, and it's,
the same hotel. Like,
luckily they don't remember you if that's the case, because they wouldn't let your ass back in. Trust me. But we love you. It was a rough night.
shadow puppet.
Don't worry about a thing. We're gonna pray on it. We're gonna ask God to help work the problem out.
I'm trying to do this real
And
quick.
we're gonna have a
Listen.
good pachanga tomorrow at your dad's house.
Wait, there we go.
It's a
Get
party.
together, party. Get together. One of
This
those.
is not working.
What are you trying to
We
do?
love you, world.
Make it seem like she's...
I want to make shout out
Well,
to
Actually, why don't we all tell how ridiculous she was tonight?
who?
Kathy. Kathy?
Kathy is 19 years old and she's a beautiful young
She's
lady.
wasted.
Wasted.
Say that again, Jennifer.
So am I too. And
I don't
if we
hear her.
wasn't playing monkeys on the bed like we was, okay, and she didn't bang her head against the wall, the security like our lady would not have come up. But we understand security lady was doing her motherfucking job, and we respect her for that. She might have kids to feed. She might have rent to pay. She might have college loans that she need to motherfucking pay back.
She might need like a surgery in her eye. We don't know.
That's not nice. And you know what? Those eyes work for the better because she could. That's how she saw all of us, and that's how she saw all of us to get the fuck out. Okay, that's probably what happened. And even when we was hiding in the closet, she probably saw us to get the fuck out.
She did. She did see it when you were like in the
Okay,
closet.
even when we turned out the lights.
Yeah. No, she's like, I know there's people on the bed.
People
on
under the
closet.
bed. I tried to hide under the bed, but that bed was a little too low for me to hide under. I could not hide under it. And if I would have hid under it, I would have lifted the whole motherfucking bed up. Okay?
Huh?
So,
She goes in, she's like,
security lady, we respect you. We understand you was doing your motherfucking job. That's cool. But you had to kick everybody the fuck out. Damn, I'm just saying. We was cool. We wasn't. Oh, cut.
There's a knock on the door again. Bitches, we're out.